Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about multitasking. In this fast-paced world, being able to juggle multiple tasks efficiently can greatly enhance our productivity and save us valuable time. So let's dive right in and learn how to multitask like a pro. Tip number 1. Prioritize and organize your tasks. Begin by creating a to-do list or using a task management app to jot down all the tasks you need to complete. Then, prioritize them based on urgency and importance. By doing this, you'll have a clear roadmap of what needs to be done and can focus on the most critical tasks first. Tip number 2. Batch similar tasks together. Grouping similar tasks can help you streamline your workflow and minimize time wasted on switching between different types of work. For example, if you have several phone calls to make, schedule a specific time slot to complete them all in one go, rather than making calls sporadically throughout the day. Tip number 3. Utilize time blocking. Time blocking is a technique where you allocate specific time slots for different tasks or categories of tasks. By setting aside dedicated time for each activity, you can maintain focus and avoid distractions. Be sure to include breaks in your schedule to give your mind some rest and rejuvenation. Tip number 4. Practice active switching. When you need to switch between tasks, make a conscious effort to mentally transition from one task to another. Take a moment to clear your mind, review what you've done so far, and mentally prepare for the next task. This can help minimize errors and ensure a smooth transition. Tip number 5. Avoid multitasking overload. While multitasking can be beneficial, it's important to know your limits. Taking on too many tasks simultaneously can lead to decreased productivity and increased stress. Be realistic about what you can handle and learn to delegate or seek support when necessary. So, there you have it. 5 practical tips to improve your multitasking skills. Remember, multitasking is a skill that takes time and practice to develop, so be patient with yourself as you incorporate these techniques into your daily routine. Thanks for watching.